What up? I'm back. Matching the scoot, kind of. So I just got back from Boyne Thunder. Super cool event. Check that out sometime. It's up in, it's on Lake Charlevoix, Michigan. It comes from Boyne City. It's why it's called Boyne Thunder. It's where they take the boats out of. But big power boat event. It's usually what the Thunder events are called because when the boats start, it's like thunder. So took the Moomba, which is on the driveway up. It's just a fun time to do a bunch of wake surfing when you're on the lake with some cool boats, when you're stopping at restaurants and everything, and pull up to the restaurant and there's, $1 million cats next to you. So I haven't been doing a whole lot of scooting, but today I received my Thrill Seekers cover. So I'll get that going. I got taken out by a dirt bike, and so it scratched up a little bit of the scooter, but I found this yellow vinyl wrap that matches good enough to where for a stunt scooter you don't see it. I also broke an exhaust stud, so I had to reseal that up, and that's all back to good. But yeah, when the dirt bike came down on the side of me here, it actually came down on the seat, which sucked because this was like my really minty good seat. My other one's not as nice, but yeah, I'm gonna do the seat cover, and yeah, I mean, it's something I've been wanting. I pick up my Elite from Scooter Supply Co. In a couple days now. That's got Thrill Seekers on it too, but it's normally parked here. And then this is my Prebug. That seat is like a little more beat. I think it's got a little tear somewhere. It doesn't have anything visibly that bad, but it's just like this seat was not as nice as this seat. So it was a shame, but it's part of riding in the pack. So I'll get that Thrill Seekers cover going, and maybe I'll throw some footage in of Boyne Thunder, that event. I don't know what all footage I got that will be landscape instead of portrait, but I'll still pop some in YouTube.
They're actually easy to maneuver too, because the engines.
Yeah, dual engines are always easy to maneuver.
Yeah.
All right, the Thrill Seekers unboxing. Gonna use the old knee. I really like the way they package their seat covers. It's just a nice, overall packaging. Very nice way to display it. There she is. Need help installing? Go there. So I use the Walmart Hyper Tough stapler. They're like $15, I think. And then whatever the staple, the T5 T something staples. What are these? Does it say it on here somewhere? Maybe it says it right here. No. Nope, don't see it. I'll find the staples in the garage. Let's see. Yeah, but this is the stapler I have used. I used it on that seat cover as well. Where'd those staples go? I don't even know where I put them. Huh. All right, I'll find them. All right, I got it done, but it took me a while to find the staples and stuff. So yeah, it turned out great. The interesting thing about the mono seat cover without the grippers is it's actually really hard because you can see imperfections. So actually, there's lights for making it look weird, but it took a while to get it perfect. Everyone told me the grip, Trevor, Mop Boys and stuff said the grippers were too grippy. And I'm guessing that's for combos and, knee knockers and stuff. So I ended up canceling my original order and then just ordering the all black. Although it does keep that original look too. I really like the look of the grippers normally.